your ally in enhancing workplace air quality for the well-being of employees. In the bustling environment of offices and workplaces, where every breath fuels progress, the quality of the air can significantly impact performance and health. Zaire, with a decade of excellence in manufacturing detection equipment and testing instruments, presents a solution that's as essential as a coffee break. Their dedication to providing clients with high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is unmatched, and their OEM customization services ensure that every workplace can offer an atmosphere that's as invigorating as a job well done. The WorkSafe indoor OR monitor is not just a device, it's a commitment to creating a space where every breath supports the vitality and the focus of the team. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, it helps maintain an environment where every moment is as refreshing as a fresh idea. Imagine an office where the air is as inspiring as the next big project. That's the essence of WorkSafe. And because we understand the importance of a healthy and productive workspace, we're offering a special promotion to make this essential investment even more accessible. It's our way of contributing to the success and the well-being of teams everywhere, where every breath is a step towards a more vibrant workday. Get ready to elevate the air quality in your workplace. For more information on our products and how we can assist you, simply add my personal email from the homepage. Let's make every workday a bright